And here I'm working on a new set of stilts for the Unpowered Sports exoskeleton setup, also known as a Judd McStudd stick. The stilts work on a fairly simple principle. You've got your feet way up here, and you've got a frame with a single axis, which is held upright using bungee cord. And of course, this little piston here keeps it from going too far backwards and actually bending back. So when you shift your weight forward, it will actually bend the ankle. We'll just take it off and to show you. You can see when pressure is applied, it bends. And it's a lot easier to do when you're actually walking on them. And here are the two new stilts I'm going to be making. They're going to be a lot cleaner looking, less extra holes and stuff, and maybe a little more sturdy, because I'm going to be doubling up on this whole T-junction right here instead of just having a single bar. So hopefully it won't have this much bend and stuff. I mean, it's not cracking it, so that's a good thing. But it is something to think about in the future. And I might also have to cut some more of these rail shelves to make this second pair of feet. But I suppose that will be all for today. So if you do enjoy my mech content, be sure to like and subscribe and play with your PVC today. Bye-bye.